Okay, hello everyone. So today we got an Aria Pro Max series coming in for some electronic works. So two ports and one output jack will be replaced. Yeah, pretty straightforward stuff. I see you at the end of the video. Enjoy it. Bye. Okay, hello everyone. So today we got an Aria Max series Strat coming in for electronic work. So the ports are frozen together with the jack. So I changed the jack and these two ports. Okay, so this is a test. This is bridge with everything on. Okay, so this is neck. Okay, mid. Okay, back to bridge. Volume off, volume on, tone off, tone on. This is, I believe this is a split coil. So yeah, so everything works. Okay, so guitar is done. Let me know when you want to pick up. This guitar is okay. I'm working on the other guitar as well. Okay, bye. Okay, that's all for today. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I have a lot more videos in my YouTube channel. If you want to contact me for my work, you can WhatsApp me from 84189951. Hope to see you soon. Bye.